Hiya. People who know me will already be aware, I think, that I've been seriously ill for about 6 months. I've been off work. I just started back in work last month. Last week. Get my words right. And it's just nice to know that I'm coming back from the illness. I'm out on my bike. Because of illness and various other things, I haven't been able to get out on my bike up on a mountain, proper mountain biking, for about a year probably. Best part of a year, certainly. And, well, look where I am. I'm out on top of a mountain in the rain, and there is how I got here, on my bike. Now, I'm not going to go far today. I've got to be sensible. I know I'm still recovering, but the important thing is I've done it. I'm out on my bike up on an actual mountain in the rain, and I love it. Hey, go me.